Today's how-to is we're going to go over how to create a new bank code in Sage 100. So in Sage 100, the main place we can go in and create bank codes is in our Bank Rec module. So if we go down to Bank Rec, the first thing under main is going to be your bank code maintenance. So we're going to go into our bank code maintenance, and it says it hasn't been created yet. I'm going to say no for this. So and instead of going into my bank rec, because that hasn't been set up for this test company, I'm actually going to go ahead and go into accounts payable instead. And I'm going to go to setup here because that's another place where we have a bank code. We have bank codes in accounts payable. We have them in accounts receivable. I'm going to go ahead and go into accounts payable, and I'm going to go into a bank code, and I'm going to create a bank code A. And you can see right now that the bank code is a main bank account. You would type in your description. Now I'm going to change this to our main bank account, which is going to be our Bank of America general checking. And I say that so you know exactly what bank you're going to use in that. And then you want to make sure that you add in which cash account number that coincides. So your general ledger account needs to coincide with that bank code description. So you can see here I changed my cash account number to 103, which is my Bank of America main account number. And then you would put in your account number here in this field and what check number you would want to start with. So this means the next time I go to print a check, that is the check code that's going to come up. We can also default a form here. So if we have created our check form for when we're printing checks, we could absolutely put that in here so that that is the form code that comes up every time we go to print a check. And in that, this is all you have to do to set up that bank code. You can put in your addresses. You do not have to. This main topper is the only thing of required fields that you have to fill out in order to create your bank code. In order for me to create it, I'm going to click accept, and that is creating a bank code in Sage 100.